Today we're going to talk about the duckfoot reel tines and just show how easy they are to install, but also talk about some of the benefits after you get them installed when you're going through the field. So the concept behind it is you got different reel tines depending on what model head you have, so we want to pay attention to that before we make our purchase. But what we're standing in front of actually has what I always call the wings on these reel tines, and this one is actually made with that groove to fit over that. And as you can see here, we've already got two installed, just showing how it all works. And how easy this is pretty much just take it up there, slide it right on. It's as easy as that. And then you got your little clip that goes over the top to hold it in place. And you hear it just click right on there. That'll hold that on. If you go back to release it, all you need to do is have a flat tip screwdriver. You can pop that free, and then you just pull that finger right off. So easy installation if you want to move them around or need to move them around. But the main thing is, just like we have here, every other tine, and then when you go up to your next reel bar or reel tube, you want to offset them. That way it helps with flow up into the head. A few of the benefits that you're going to see with the reel tine is helping draw that crop into the platform so it gets across that cutter bar so you don't have header loss. You can also slow down your reel speed. And the other thing is may even also increase your speed through the field. Some of the testing or results show possibly have a ½ mile an hour to a mile an hour pickup in speed for your combine. That way you can get through the field faster, cover more acres throughout the day, throughout the whole harvest season. So pretty easy concept on this. Like I said, they have a few different ones. Just want to make sure we pay attention on the website which ones you need. We try to list it as best as we can to match up with your heads. And also on there, they're being sold as kits. We need to make sure that we're ordering enough to do the full platform. And we've listed that on there for you as well. That way if you got a 35-foot header, you can go down to the bottom of the page and you can see what quantity you need to purchase to actually fully fit your whole platform. So just kind of watch that. There are 3 different styles. Like this one here is on the earlier 600 series heads, and even some earlier heads than that. And then this one is getting onto a lot of your newer 600, 700 series heads where you got that square finger. Then there's another one out there mainly focuses on like your MacDons. So if you have any questions on the product, you can check it out at sonyx.com, or you can give us a call at 800-934-9777.